Hey, welcome everyone. It's XIberx over here. Today I'll show you guys how to install Microsoft SQL Server on your machine. All right. Yeah. So first, make sure you open your browser. It could be Chrome or Edge or any other browser that you have, Brave or whatsoever. Well, just open it. All right. All right. So just search for Microsoft SQL Server. Download. All right. Yeah. So you click on the first link over here. That's from Microsoft. Yeah. You click on the link. All right. Yeah. You wait for the page to load. When it's downloading, all right, you scroll down. Yeah, you can see these options over here. All right. Yeah, these are good for developing and other stuff. All right, but over here I'll be taking the express version as well, since it's also good for development and production. Right. Yeah, and also for small server application. I'll be choosing this one, but you can choose to go with this one as well. But let's just use this one. Alright, so you click on download now. Alright, so it will start downloading automatically, but I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download again. Alright, so after your download, you go to your downloads, and then sorry, you open your downloads folder. Mine, I use IDM for downloading, so it will be in the IDM programs folder. So downloads, right? Downloads over here, programs, and then you can see SQL. This also be downloaded 2025-SSEI. Alright, so you double click on it. Okay, yeah, and then administrative privileges. Yep, this will load, and when it's done, it will ask you for a couple of stuff. If you want to install it for basic stuff, yeah, you can just, you don't know anything about it, so just select the basic one over here. If you know a lot about SQL Server over here, you can do some custom alterations. When I install, you can choose this one as well, or you can, I don't know much about this one, so I'm not going to talk about this. Alright, so you select the basic installation. Alright, yeah, and then you proceed with the installation. I already have mine installed. Okay, so basic, you agree to the terms, you agree to the terms. Alright, yeah. Alright, I've already installed mine, and all the same, my drive is almost full. Okay, yeah. So you click on install over here, but since I have it installed, I'm not going to install. So this is how to install Microsoft SQL Server. Alright, yeah. And after the installation, you'll be asked if you want to install SSMS. It will be down there as part of the options. You click on it, it will send you to the SSMS page, and then you download the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio as part of it. Alright. So thank you for your time. See you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thank you.